This is letter I. When I has a curve on it, the sound is I, I, I. And the animal name is inchworm, inchworm, inchworm.
Inchy the inchworm will climb up a hill. Oops, a bird. Inchy, stay still. Another name for an inchworm is a measureworm or a cankerworm. The inchworm is a type of caterpillar that feeds on the leaves of trees and plants. It moves slowly by arcing its body into a loop and then stretching it forward, appearing to measure the ground inch by inch. Its green or brown color helps it blend with the leaves and branches, protecting it from predators. Although small inchworms can damage plants by eating large amounts of leaves. After growing, the inchworm forms a pupa and then later changes into a moth.
Inchy Inchworm was an inchworm. Inchy Inchworm traveled by moving his body inch by inch. It was a pretty good way to travel. Inchy Inchworm always got where he was going, but it seemed slow to Inchy Inchworm. Inchy Inchworm really admired Itsy Bitsy Cricket. Itsy Bitsy Cricket could take big, long hops and could cover distances that took Inchy Inchworm a long time to travel.
"I want to jump like you, Itsy Bitsy Cricket,"
said Inchy Inchworm. "Yes, you really move slow, Inchy Inchworm," said Itsy Bitsy Cricket.
"Well, sooner or later I can get just about anywhere,"
agreed Inchy Inchworm.
"but it would be such fun to jump and hop as you do."
"Too bad you can't, little Inchy Inchworm. Watch me hop to the other side of that big rock." In one big swoop, Itsy Bitsy Cricket disappeared from Inchy Inchworm's view.
"Oh, how I want to jump,"
mourned Inchy Inchworm.
"All I can do is inch, inch, inch along, an inch at a time."
Just about that time, Inchy Inchworm noticed a bird flying to the limb of a nearby tree.
"Ooh, I better be still,"
Inchy Inchworm thought.
"That bird looks hungry to me. I think he'd love to have an inchworm for lunch."
Quick as a wink, Inchy Inchworm flattened himself out and perfectly stayed still. Itsy Bitsy Cricket at that instant came hopping back. He was really showing off a little, because Itsy Bitsy knew Inchy Inchworm wanted to be able to hop like him. Not only was he jumping extra high, but he was making a lot of noise. "Look at me, I jump high as a tree," Itsy Bitsy Cricket sang out as he jumped back and forth around Inchy Inchworm.
"Do you suppose Itsy Bitsy Cricket doesn't see that bird?"
Inchy Inchworm wondered.
"That bird just might like a cricket lunch. Itsy Bitsy Cricket, you better look out!"
yelled Inchy Inchworm. Suddenly there was a swoop from the nearby tree and a veering of feathers. Inchy Inchworm closed his eyes tightly and stayed as still as possible. When he opened them again, there was no cricket to be seen. Itsy Bitsy Cricket was gone. Even though Inchy Inchworm was saddened to lose his friend, he sighed.
"Phew, it's a good thing I can't hop. I guess inching along is a pretty good way to travel after all. It's better to be me, inching along and doing things just the way God made me."
Blend these sounds. I, me, s, I, si, f, I, fi, r, I, ri, b, I, bi, n, I, ni, g, I, gi, t, I, ti, p, I, pi. Blend these sounds into words. S, it, sit, f, it, fit, p, it, pit, b, it, bit, m, it, mit, f, it, fist, m, it, mist, sp, it, spit, n, it, nip, s, it, sip, p, it, pip, r, it, rip, t, it, tip, p, it, pig, r, it, rib, st, it, stiff. Pin. Tin. Sin. Fin. Bin. Spin.